In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma. Resizing images in Figma without distortion or unwanted cropping is a fundamental skill for designers. It's a common task, and Figma offers a simple yet powerful way to achieve perfect, proportional scaling. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring your images maintain their original aspect ratio and always look professional within your designs. First, begin by opening Figma. You can use either the desktop application or your web browser. Simply navigate to your existing design project or create a new canvas where you plan to work with your image. This initial step sets the stage for importing your visual content. Once your Figma canvas is ready, the next step is to upload the image you wish to resize. You can do this by dragging and dropping your image file directly from your computer onto the canvas, or by going to the File menu, selecting Place Image, and then browsing for your file. After the image appears, make sure it is selected. You'll see a bounding box around it when active. With your image selected, the crucial step for proportional resizing without cropping is to activate Figma's Scale tool. This is quickly done by pressing the K key on your keyboard. When you press K, you'll notice the bounding box around your image changes. This indicates you've switched to the Scale tool, which automatically locks the image's aspect ratio, preventing any stretching or squashing during resizing. Now that the Scale tool is active, resizing becomes incredibly intuitive. Simply click and drag any of the corner handles of the bounding box. Dragging inwards will make the image smaller, while dragging outwards will enlarge it. As you adjust, you'll see the image scale perfectly, maintaining its original proportions. The width and height will change in unison, guaranteeing no distortion or cropping. You can also monitor the exact dimensions in the Properties panel on the right side of your screen, confirming the aspect ratio is preserved. And there you have it. By using the K key to activate the Scale tool, you can effortlessly resize any image in Figma, ensuring it remains perfectly proportional and uncropped. This technique is indispensable for maintaining visual integrity in your designs.